is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. This is how we do it.
It's your boy.
In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all shooting some b-ball outside of the school. When a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air."
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and I changed the game. It's my big bronze boogie, got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. We're from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like hey. Flexing on the gram like hey. Hit that Lil Jon, okay. Oh yeah, we dripping and finesse and getting paid.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you off. When I walk with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby don't play. Blaming all my confidence, all blaming all your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. Hey, I hit tripping with finesse. It don't make no sense. I hit tripping with finesse. You know it, you know. I hit tripping with finesse. It don't make no sense. I hit tripping with finesse. You know it, you know.
This is how we do it.
Close your eyes, 'cause I'm right here. And close your eyes, I'm not going nowhere. And it's alright.
Kaj je vaša največja strast? Otočec, predani strastem. Na terme-krka.si